In this quick demo, we are going to see Fast Picture Viewer's web publishing in action. So let's start the program, open folder with some images, and the first thing to do is mark images for publishing. So let's say we want to publish this wonderful photo, and then this one, and this one, and this one, and this one also. And I hit Ctrl P to start the publisher. The very first time I need to select at least one publishing plugin, and I choose SmugMug, and I'm now going to authorize Fast Picture Viewer to publish on SmugMug. So my web browser starts, I log in. Okay, I've approved Fast Picture Viewer Professional. I go back to the program, I say I granted the authorization. Okay, after a little while I can configure the settings. So what I want to do in this particular demo is rescale the image to 1600 pixels. Same thing with non-JPEGs, and I want to use the SmugVault option that I have enabled on my account. So I create a new gallery, let's say demo, and I use the default theme, etc. And after another little while, I'm ready to publish. So I hit the Publish Now button, and Fast Picture Viewer, after checking the connectivity, which is not really quick at that time of the day, my 5 images are being processed, reduced to 1600 pixels, and uploaded to SmugMug. Okay, so I can check the event log and verify that everything went well. So I see photos were uploaded, I have no errors, everything's perfect. I can close the program and open SmugMug and see that I have this demo gallery, which is in the process of being constructed. Okay, so here are my photos, all nice and perfect. I can see the file information, and okay, so I have published to SmugMug. This is the first part of the demo, but now let's see what happens if I try to publish a PSD file. So this is actually a PSD that I created from a sample file. I have the Fast Picture Viewer codec pack installed on this computer, so I can see my PSD with all the metadata in Windows Explorer, and I have opened this PSD file in Fast Picture Viewer. I press P to mark it for publishing, Ctrl P to start the publisher, which remembers all my settings. I hit Publish Now to send it to SmugMug, and what I see now is that I have 2 items to publish. So it's one file, and the program says 2 items. And why so? It's because it's a PSD, and SmugMug doesn't support PSD, so Fast Picture Viewer will create a JPEG rendition of the PSD, upload the JPEG rendition, and then follow with the PSD file itself. So what do we get? Go back to SmugMug. same library or gallery. Okay, so here is my PSD. Okay, here is my PSD, the JPEG representation of my PSD that was sent by Fast Picture Viewer. And if I refresh, okay, I see now I have the Vault icon here, and okay, this is a feature specific to SmugMug, and I see in the Vault that I have a PSD file in the Vault archive, which is basically a storage that allows SmugMug users to store all kinds of files. But the interesting thing is we get nice PSD preview because Fast Picture Viewer, of course, know how to open PSDs, and it does the right thing when uploading those files. And this works just as well for all RAW files, and actually every image format that can be read by a Fast Picture Viewer can be uploaded to SmugMug if you have the Smug Vault option, and you will get for every single image a nice preview, irrespectively of the actual file format of the image. Okay, so this concludes this short demonstration.